All right, we have a 2023 Hyundai IONIQ 6. This is an SEL rear-wheel drive, and the color is in transmission blue. All right, let's get a good look at the front. Pretty clean. Also comes with an extra little bit of storage right here. All right, you can kind of see that blue coming out right here when it's under the sun. Super cool. All right, and then right over here is the charge door. It's going to be fully automatic. It opens right up just like that. There you go. And then to close it, it'll just be this button right here. Nice. Moving on to the trunk. You got the rear floor mats right there. And then over here, under this, you got some extra room. It's tire mobility kit, and then the charger too. Nice. Close it up, and this is also going to be automatic. Just click that button and it'll close right up. Perfect. All right. USB-Cs right here, and then you also got cup holders right there. Cool. Let's move on to the front. Nice design right here. All right, here's your cruise control settings. Playing right around with your drive modes over here. Then on this side is going to be your infotainment settings. That right there is going to be your shift knob. Just a good look at the screen. Pretty big screen too. You got a lot of options here. Also an LED that goes along there. Cool. Wireless charger. Center compartment. You also have two other USB-Cs there, and also more storage down here. All right.